how to unblock your WeChat account. The very first step is to open your application WeChat. Here, even if you enter the correct password of your WeChat account but still you are not being able to log into your account, then what you need to do is click on these more options. Head over to Help Center. Here, click on How do I unblock my account. Now scroll down and the option of Tap here will be visible to you. It will be highlighted with green color. Click on it. Now once again scroll down to the bottom and click on Tap here. It will take you to the page where you need to send one appeal for the reactivation of your WeChat account. Now firstly you need to fill up this platform. Select the device that you are using. Now mention the region that you live in. After this you need to select the category and click on Unable to log in. Then here you need to select Account Blocked. After this you need to write one description for the WeChat team. You can simply write these things. After you are done writing the description, here you need to upload the screenshot where you are not being able to log into your account. So click on Upload Screenshot. Select the screenshot and upload it here. After this, here you need to enter the ID of your WeChat account. And then here you need to enter your active email address. Now when you are done with all of this, you need to click on Submit. There you go, your appeal has been sent to the Help Center of WeChat team. Now if you haven't done any serious violation, then your account will be recovered. So it might take 1 to 2 days for your account to be unblocked. So this was for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to unblock your WeChat account. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.